wish my birds Merry Christmas. Lots of goodies in my arms for my birdies. If you hear the hoovering, it's because we dropped one. This one, the package complete. Yes. Yeah, we lost quite a bit, but never mind. We managed to sweep most of it up. They're hoovering the rest of it. I'm gonna go feed the birds. Come on. Right, I'm gonna put this out. We're gonna have a party tonight. So this is called Peckish Complete. Please have put the bottom on properly. Yay! Right. It hangs like that. They've all fell off, look. They fell off. Yeah, I think I'm just going to break that up. I think that's a bit weather worn. Break that up on there. Take off the excess. There's a lot of it. I'm doing such a good job at this. Oh, it smells. Ugh. Why does it smell? There we go. Do we need to keep that? Why? You can't make a new one, can you? Anyway. I'll put it over here. Hands. One of these. I wonder what that was moving then, but it's my wind thing. Moving in the wind. It's moving in the wind. That's gone rotten, that one has. That seed on there. That's coming out. Feeding my birds rotten stuff. Oh. Can we put it underneath the... No, I'm not putting it on there. We'll eat it. I'm giving in today. Maybe I shouldn't be doing this today. Something is telling me. Don't you dare. Flutterbutters was fluttering up. There's a snowman watching the producer. He's turned all the way around. Oh, the cage is now broke. What? There. Flutterbutters. Flutterbutters. I've had these a while. I got them from, some big crows flying around. Flutterbutter pods. I got them from Amazon a long time ago, and they've been sat in the living room waiting to be put out. So what you do? Yeah, Flutterbutter pod. Ta-da! There's a little perch for them to sit on. Look. So I'm wondering where to put this. The best place. Then they'll eat it on there. Yeah. So fingers crossed they eat that on there. What else we got? New. We've got some wild bird high energy suet pellets. This one here. Oh, the pink. The pink. Come here, look. They're pink. They're pink. So, put one down there. I never had pink on my bird tables, so that's pretty cool. all wet on here. Somebody's put boxes on top of it. There's a load of water on there. Made a bit of a river runs through it. And then I have to certain balls. All normally fit in. Get this one out. And a little bit left. Feed them all, haven't we? Come in. Peanuts. Oh. They look nasty. Like, I'm going to change them. Try and put them under the tree this time. Is that why they've not been eating them, do you think? Because they've gone a bit fusty. Or do you think I put too many in? Get it all out. But I've got something to use. There we go. That's better. So now we'll fill. We'll fill the seed. There's 2 seeds and 3 peanuts to fill up. Then that's all there is to fill. Put these in here. How's the coconut? Can you just check my coconuts for me? Not these ones, that one. Yeah, that's fine. They're not eating it. We'll leave that one after. I should have, because I've got a full bag of peanuts already, haven't I? I should have enough to keep me going through winter of them, for them. Fingers crossed. For the ones that don't like to fly up, I always empty onto the ground. And oh, we've got the tables to do as well. It'd be nice to see if they like the flutter butters. These ones. As you can get all different things in them as well. Itchy nose. Right, we'll put some seed on there. And it should just be the peanuts. Be the peanuts. That's a lot of peanuts to put out there. Maybe not put as many in this container. I don't know why they didn't eat them. Obviously, they went mouldy. But why did they go mouldy? A robin came to the bottom. She's in the tree somewhere. A rocky robin. Tweet. Tweet. We need some pliers. next time is try and tighten up them hooks because the screws are a pain. Right, 2 more cups of peanuts and then we should be done. And then Mrs. Robin can enjoy her feast. I'll just leave that on there for this time. Hopefully they eat it all. Bit of peanuts on there. Put a few peanuts in there. Feed them all. Give them 2-course meal. This is Christmas dinner for. Okay. Smack my head while I'm doing it. Full, full, full. Labels back on. Right, that's it. Birds of fed. I'm not blue. I'm happy. How are you? Yeah. So we're leaving to have the Christmas dinner. So thank you for watching. Like it, subscribe. Find me on my Twitter and Instagram, Adelesexyuk. Find me on my OnlyFans freebie, $10 and the VIP 91. Don't forget to leave comments down below. And I always read them and give them a thumbs up. And I love heart. And I love you all.